Let us start the textbook questions. Yes, that's, yeah. The question is on the board. You can take it down. I'm not writing in the board. Right. Take down the question. So, first, let us read the question. Let us read the question. The first illustration. Okay. ABC Limited issued 10,000 debentures. Okay. They have issued 10,000 debentures, 12% debentures, that is, of rupees 100 each. One debenture is 100. The face value is 100. Okay. Payable rupees 30 on application and remaining amount on allotment. One is 30 rupees on application and remaining 70 on allotment. The public applied for 9,000 debentures. The public applied for 9,000 debentures which were fully allotted. Okay. And all relevant allotment money was duly received. Give general entries in the books of ABC and exhibit the relevant information in the balance sheet. Okay. So let us start the solution. Just a second. Okay. Shall we start the solution? ABC Limited issued 10,000 debentures. What will be the first entry? On application, they should pay 30 rupees. The first entry will be for application, bank account, debit. Let me write debit to how much percentage it was? 12% debenture, right? 12% debenture application account. How much? 9,000 debentures they are subscribed for, and on application they should pay 30 rupees. It is 2,70,000. 2,70,000. Is that right? Yes. Next, we will transfer it to debenture account. 12% debenture application account debit to debenture, sorry, 12% debenture, right? 12% debenture account. Is that right? How much? The same, 2,70,000. 2,70,000. That's okay. Then an allotment remaining amount should be paid. Okay. On 12% debenture allotment account debit to 12% debenture account. How much? 9,000 into remaining how much? It is 70, right? 6,30,000. 6,30,000. We are making it due at the time of receiving, where we will receive on the bank account debit, to 12% debenture allotment. I am writing short forms. You shouldn't write the short forms, you should write full forms. To 12% debenture allotment account, 6,30,000. 6,30,000. Yes, the question is done. Solution is also done. You can take it down. The next question. Let me see which question we can do. Okay. The second question. TV Components Limited. Okay, did you take that down? Yeah. Shall I erase it? Let us move to the question number 2. Question number 2. The question is on the board. You can take down the question. Yes, let us read the question first. TV Components Limited issued 10,000 debentures. TV Components Limited issued 10,000 debentures. Okay, 12%, that is 12% debentures of rupees 100 each. One debenture is equals to 100 each at a discount of 5% payable as follows. 5% discount is there if your face value is 100. If you give a discount, let's say you can take 5% only, your face value is 100 minus discount 5% will be 5 rupees, total will be 95 rupees. You are receiving at 95 rupees. And in the next line, on application we should receive 45, on allotment we should receive 55 in the place of 60, right? 5 rupees discount on the allotment. Okay, so the journal entries, including those for cash, assuming that all the installments were duly collected, also show the relevant portion of the balance sheet. We should show the relevant portion of the balance sheet also. So here only. Okay, this application, the first entry will be bank account debit. Let me write here. Debit to, how much percentage it is? 12% debenture. 12% debenture application. Okay. We have received in time and in the allotment. Okay. Application account. How much? It is fully subscribed, right? 10,000 into 40. Here on the application we are not giving any discount. 4 lakh total amount. Yeah, received in the bank account. Okay, we should transfer it to debenture account. 12% debenture application account debit to 12% debenture account. Is that right? Yes, rupees 4 lakh. We will transfer it to debenture account. And in the allotment we have discount also. First, let me make due 12% debenture allotment account debit. Here we have discount. Discount is a loss, so it will be debited. Discount on issue of debenture debit to 12% debenture, right? Okay, 10,000 into 55 goes to 5 lakh 50, 5 lakh 50,000, right? 5 lakh 50,000. And the discount is 5%, right? Out of 10,000 into 60 into 5% means, oh, 5% discount, 5 rupees into 10,000, that's the correct 50,000. And we should transfer it to the venture account 6 lakhs. Is that right? When we receive in the bank account debit to 12% debenture allotment. Debenture allotment. How much we will receive? We will receive 5 lakh 50,000. We should receive 6 lakhs, but out of 6 lakhs we have given a discount of rupees 50,000 and remaining will be received in the bank account 50,000. Is that correct? What they asked in the question, they asked for the balance sheet, to show the balance sheet. Let me erase this column and we'll do balance sheet here. Yes. Oh, the same column, right? Okay, that's fine. Balance sheet, you write the Ramayana. Balance sheet. Yes, this much we can require for. Okay, first will be shareholders fund. As of now, we don't have any work in the shareholders fund, and in the non-current liability, non-current liability. In the non-current liability, under non-current liability, we show it long-term liability. Long-term liability. How much? 10,000 into 100. Yes, 10 lakh. 10 lakh will show you the liability, long-term liability. And in the assets, non-current asset, non-current asset, non-current asset, rupees 45,000. Sir, 1 second. How will you calculate that? Let me explain. First, I will write it, then I will explain. In the current asset, we show it as bank. How much? How much? 9 out of 10 lakh we have received. We have given a discount 50,000, and out of 10 lakh minus 9 lakh 50,000 we will receive in the bank. Okay, fine. Okay. In the current asset, we have shown 45,000. So non-current asset we have shown 45,000, and in the current asset 5,000. In the question, they have missed a point. Redeeming debentures are redeemable after 10 years. After 10 years. Okay. How did you calculate that? Non-current asset as 45,000, and one more thing, why will we show discount on asset side? Because normally the loss will be shown in the asset side, because we should tally, right? Now, if I show here, if I show in the liability side, we will create a liability again 50,000. Will it match? No, it wouldn't match. We cannot minus here also. We cannot minus the loss on the long-term liability also. Why? Because we should actually pay 10 lakh. 10 lakh, right? Yeah, we should actually pay 10 lakh. We have liable to pay the 10 lakh. Here 45,000 we have given discount. But actually we should pay 10 lakh. If I cannot add. Where will I show? In the opposite side, right? In the asset side we should show. So it will get minused. Is that right? Yes. Okay. So how did you calculate the 45,000? So basic concept is, we should redeem after 10 years, right? After 10 years we have loss of rupees 50,000. Out of that 50,000 loss, we have a current year loss. Is that right? Out of 10 years redemption period, the first year related to the current year. Is that right? We should show current year assets. Is that right? Yes. out of 50,000 divided by redemption period is 10 years, per year is 5,000. This 5,000 is related to current year asset. Current year asset or loss. Current year loss. We should show it separately. Current year loss as current asset. Okay. Is that fine? Okay. Is that fine? Next. We should show notes to accounts. We should show notes to accounts. Shall I erase something? Yeah, we can take it here itself. There is no space, that's why. Notes to accounts. You write the heading. In the notes to accounts, we should show loan, right? Debentures. Debentures, how much it is? 10 lakh, right? 10 lakh rupees. In the notes to accounts, what it is? A long term liability, right? Long term liability, 10 lakh. I am writing in the one note. You should create another separate notes, right? It is 10 lakh. It is 10 lakh. Next, other non-current assets is there. Other non-current is there. Non-current asset is there. This is the other non-current asset, 5,000. We should create other non-current asset. How much it is? 5,000, right? 5,000. And if we have non-current asset, normal non-current asset 45,000. You should create separate notes to accounts. You should, and in the notes to accounts we should have a column, and you should write note 1 on which note you are making. That note number should write it here for the reference. And next we have, that's it I think. So long term liability, let me read the question first. Yes, okay, that's it. And we should show in the last bank, in the cash and cash equivalent, bank 9,50,000. Yes, you should create separate notes to accounts for each and everything, and you should give a note number in the separate column, right? Is that fine? Yes, you can take it down. The question number 2 is done. Let us move to the question number 3. Yes, here it is. XYZ Industries. Shall I erase it? Let us move to the question number 3. The question is on board. You can take it down the question. Let's read the question. XYZ Industries Limited issued 2,000 debentures. They have issued 2,000 debentures, and it is 10% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 10 per debenture. Who can issue at premium? Who have goodwill in the market. Okay. Payable as follows. Application 50 and allotment 60. In the allotment they have charged premium of rupees 10, and the debentures were fully subscribed and all money was duly received. Record the journal entry in the books of a company. Show how the amounts will appear in the balance sheet. Okay, shall we start the question? Solution. Not question. Okay. Question 3, solution for question number 3. Okay, and the first entry always bank account debit. On application, how much we have received to how much percentage depends. 10% debenture application, 10% debenture application, 10% debenture application, 50 rupees, and 2000 debentures they have issued, 1 lakh rupees. Yes, 2000 into 50, right? 2000 into 50, 1 lakh. Is that correct? Yes. Next, we'll transfer it to debenture account. 10% debenture application account debit to 10% debenture account. How much it is? 1 second. There is premium also. Hey, sorry, I'm not doing allotment. Sorry. To debenture account, it is 1 lakh. And next allotment, 10% debenture allotment account debit. We are making it due to 10% debenture account. And we have security premium also. Security premium. Security premium also. How much? Total 60. 1,20,000. 1,20,000 due. Out of that, 1 lakh transferred to debenture account, and security premium is 20,000. You should receive bank account debit to 10% debenture allotment account. How much we should receive? 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Is that right? Yes, that's right. We should do the balance sheet now. So in the end, what they have given, we have everything, right? Yes, we have everything. Okay. In the end, show how the amounts will appear in the balance sheet. First, we have shareholders fund. Under shareholders fund, reserves and surplus, and we will show security premium of rupees 20,000 in reserves and surplus. And second, non-current liability. Under non-current liability, long-term borrowings. How much long-term borrowings? It is 2000 into 100. 2000 into 100, 2 lakh rupees. And in the asset, there is non-current asset. So non-current asset, and we have another current asset. Under current asset, cash and cash equivalent, bank, 2 lakh 20,000 with premium. 2,20,000 with premium we will show. This is your entry, and we should make notes to accounts. In the notes to accounts, simply we should show reserves and surplus, note 1, note to long term borrowings, and note 3 what it is, cash and cash equivalents. That's it. Yes, the question is done. You can take down the question. Yes, the question number 4 is on the board. You can take down the question, and it is for your homework. Until allotment, in the same manner you will do, and in the first call and final call 40 you should make another entry. You know it already. You will do that, no problem, right? Then nothing else in this question. Okay, let us move to the question number 5. XYZ Limited issued 10,000 debentures, 14,000. Okay, we'll do that. The question number 5 is on board. The question number 5 is on board. You should take down the question. Just a second. Yeah, take down the question. Shall we read the question? Yes, X Limited issued 10,000 debentures, 12% debentures of rupees 100 each, payable rupees 40 on application and 60 on allotment. The public applied for 14,000 debentures. Over subscription, it is. We have issued 10,000 debentures, and the public applied for 14,000 debentures. Applications for 9,000 debentures were accepted in full, and applications for 2,000 debentures were allotted 1,000 debentures. Pro rata allotment is made, and the remaining applications were rejected. All money was duly received. Journalize the transaction. The first entry will be same: bank account debit to 12% debentures. How much? 10 sorry 14,000 debentures we have received for applications into application money 5,60,000. 5,60,000. Is that right? 10% next we will transfer it to debenture application account. How much we will transfer? The same 14,000. Sorry, here we calculated, right? 5,60,000. 5,60,000. And what goes to 10% debenture account? Whatever we have issued, 10,000 debenture into 100 each. 10 lakh goes, sorry, 10,000 debentures, application money is 40, right? 40. 4 lakh rupees. 4 lakh rupees goes to debenture. And next, to bank account. And shall I erase it? Come on. This to bank and to 10% debenture allotment. How much we will adjust in the allotment? Whatever we have made, pro rata allotment is made for 1,000 debentures, right? Rupees 40 on application. 40,000 we will adjust in the allotment, and remaining 1,20,000 will be refund. Okay, and next entry will be for allotment, right? 10% debenture account debit. After many examples, these should be very easy for you. 10% debenture account debit to, okay, I'm making allotment entry, right? 10% debenture allotment account debit to, on allotment we are making due 10% debenture account, and how much we should receive? 6 lakhs. 60 into how much it is? 10,000. 60,000, 6 lakhs. Should receive 6 lakhs. We are making it due at the time of receiving. We will receive in the bank account debit. And here how much? 6 lakhs minus what is the adjustment? 40k, right? 5 lakhs 60,000 we will receive in the bank to 10% debenture allotment. 5 lakhs 60,000. Is that simple? And the remaining applications were rejected, all money due received. That's it, the question is done. You can take down. They asked balance sheet. No, they didn't ask for balance sheet. Okay, take down the solution. This is not related to this question. This is not related. Don't copy with that. Okay, they didn't ask for the balance sheet and we are not doing the balance sheet. Question number 6. From question number 6, we are going to discuss about issue of debenture for other than cash. If a company issued debenture, for other than cash, it may be for building, machinery, whatever it may be. For other than cash, if they issue, what will be the treatment? What will be the treatment? The question number 6 on the board, you can take it down the question. Let us read the question first. Ashirwad Company Limited purchased, okay, asset of the book value of 2 lakh rupees. Asset value is 2 lakh, okay, from another company. Fine. And agreed to make payment of purchase consideration by issuing 2000 debentures of rupees 100 each. Right. Here they are purchasing a asset. So our asset is increasing. Is that right? So asset will be debit. Okay. Then simultaneously we are creating a liability. We are liable to pay whatever we have purchased for. Right. The liability will be to whom we pay. He will be our liability. Let's say vendor. Right. He's a vendor. It's like creditors, right? For creditors we should pay, so he will be our liability. If liability increases, we will credit. If liability increases, we will credit. Is that right? Vendor will be credit, or if they give any name, you can use the name. Okay, then that's the entry, nothing much. Did you take down the question? Yes. Sundry asset account debit to vendors. Vendors are nothing but it's liability and it's like creditors. No need to write, just write liability. Okay, how much? For 2 lakh, right? 2 lakh they have issued debenture. Purchased asset, okay. Then at the time of payment, we are going to emit the liability. Right? If we want to emit the liability, what we will do? We will reverse the entry. Vendors account debit. Vendors account debit to through through what we are paying. Through what we are paying. Are we paying through bank? No. Are we paying through cash? No. We are paying through debentures. We are paying through debentures. How many percentage of debenture? 10 percentage of debenture. 10% debenture account. 2 lakh. The question is done. The solution also done. You can take down the solution right now. Then we will move on to question number 7. Shall I erase it? Shall I keep it? Let me keep it that, because next in question will be small. Question number 7. Question number 7. The question is on the board. You should take down the question. Shall I read the question? Yeah. Rai company purchased assets of the book value of rupees 2,20,000. Okay. From another company and agreed to make payment of purchase consideration by issuing 2,000 debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium. Yes, they are issuing at premium. Here they have issued at par. Is that right? Yes. Now they are issuing at premium. Yes. Okay. What will be the treatment? Record necessary journal entries. Let us see. Roy Company and book value of 2,20,000. They have purchased sundry asset. Debit how much? 2,20,000. And sorry, and sundry asset debit. Okay, fine. 2 sundry asset debit, and simultaneously we are creating a liability, right? We are creating liability to vendors account. Vendors account 2,20,000. 2,20,000, yeah. Then at the time of payment, vendors account, debit to 10% debenture account to security premium. If they are showing for 2,20,000, 2,000 into 100, 2 lakh, and remaining 20,000 will be our security premium. Is that correct? The question is done. You can take down the question. Next, the question number 8 will be related to discount. Par is done, premium is done. Let's go to the discount. Yes, the question number 8 is on the board. You should take down the question. Shall I read the question? National Packaging Company purchased assets of the value of rupees 1,90,000 from another company. Okay, agreed to make payment purchase consideration by issuing of debenture and at a discount of 5%. If face value is 100 into 5%, 5 rupees is the discount. Remaining 95 they have issued, and we will receive 95 because 5 rupees is the discount amount. Okay, let's do the entry. What they said: sundry asset account debit, sundry asset account debit to vendors. How much? 95 rupees into how much debentures? 2000 debentures. Oh, they have given value, right? Purchase asset of the value of rupees 1,90,000. 1,90,000. 1,90,000. Yes. Then vendors account. Vendors account debit discount on issue of debenture. It is a capital loss. You know it already. Yes, how much? Once again, let us calculate. 10%, right? 10%, right? Yes, 10%. Yes, 10% debenture. 10% debenture. How much? How much you should? 2000 into 100. 2000 into 100. How much? 2000 into 2 lakh. Out of 2 lakh, we have given a discount of rupees 10,000 and 1,90,000. Is that right? 1,90,000 we got the amount and 10,000 is the discount and total is 2 lakh for the debenture issued. Yes, you can take down the question. Solution. Okay, pause the video and take down the solution. We have done par, premium and the discount also. Let us move to the next question what they have given. And the question number 9. Question number 9. The question is on board. You can take down the question right now. And shall we read the question? Yes, GS Rai company purchased assets of the book value of rupees 99,000. The value of the asset is 99,000 from another company or another firm. It was agreed that purchase consideration be paid by issuing 11% debenture of rupees 100 each. Okay. Assume debentures have been issued at par, premium, discount. Okay. But if you observe, they didn't give the any information about how much debentures they have issued. How much debentures they have issued? Just they have given amount and the face value. They didn't mention any debenture issue. How much debentures they have issued? We don't know. At this case, how will we calculate premium and discount and all? Let's check on. Yes, GS Ryan company purchased asset of the book value. First entry will be the same for 3 cases also. Let me, okay, for the 3 cases also the same entry. For the first entry, sundry asset account debit to to vendors. How much it is? 99,000. Yeah, 99,000. 99,000. Okay. First issued at par. Right. Vendors normal case it is. Vendors account debit. Vendors account debit to 11% debentures, right? It was 11% debenture. How much? It is 99,000 par. 99,000. Yes. Then what they were asked for premium. Second one is discount. Second one is discount. Yes. Now vendors account debit, you should pay 99,000. Is that right? Yes. Okay, fine. Discount on issue of debenture. Shall we take this into 10%? It comes 9,900. No, it's absolutely wrong because they didn't mention how much debentures they have issued. Right? We should calculate that. We should calculate that. If it is 99,000, yeah, 99,000. Okay, fine. Out of 100 rupees per face value is 100 rupees. How much discount they are giving? 10%. Right, 10%. 90. 90. How much it comes out? Let me take the calcium. 99,000 divided by 90 is equals to 1,100 debentures they have issued. Into, if we calculate face value into 100, it comes out 1,10,000. 1,10,000. Is that right? 2. 11% debenture will be 1,10,000. 1,10,000. And remaining out of 1,10,000, if we give 10% discount, it will be 11,000 discount, right? 1,10,000 into 10%, 11,000 will be the discount. Next is premium. So vendors account debit. Vendors account debit the same 99,000. Is that right? 2. Debenture account, sorry, 11% debenture account. 11% debenture account. Shall we calculate that later? 2. Security premium. 2. Security premium. How will we calculate? The same again. It is discount calculation. We will calculate here premium. Yes, 99,000 fine divided by, if face value is 100 plus security premium is 10, 110 issued at 110, how much it comes out? 99,000 divided by 110 is equals 900 debentures they are issued. 900 debentures into face value is 100, 90,000. 90,000 transferred to debenture account through debentures account. Okay, we are paying, and 9,000 security premium. And did you understand this solution? Yes. If you are any doubt, you can text me. WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, whatever it may be, you can text me. Take down the solution. Yes, the question is on board. You can take down the question right now. Romi Limited. Shall we read the question? Yeah. Romi Limited acquired assets of rupees 20 lakh. Fine. And took over creditors of rupees 2 lakh. The company taken over a asset of rupees 20 lakh. Out of that, the what is Kapil Enterprises say you should take over, you should pay to my creditors of rupees 2 lakh, and asset value will be 18 lakh. This 18 lakh you should pay us, that is for Kapil Enterprises, and remaining 2 lakh goes to creditors. Fine. Yes. Okay, they have issued 8% debentures of rupees 100 each at par as consideration. Okay, fine. Shall we do sundry asset? The same entry, sundry asset account debit. 2. Here the entry is 2 lakh. We have to give For the creditors it will be our liability, so it is credit to creditors. And then we have liable to pay to the Kapil Enterprises. We are liable to pay to the Kapil Enterprises also. Kapil Enterprises. Okay, asset value is 20 lakh. Asset value is 2 lakh or 20. Yeah, 20 lakh. And to creditors, how much we should pay? 2 lakh rupees. Then to Kapil Enterprises. To Kapil Enterprises, how much we should pay? Remaining 18 lakh we should pay to the Kapil Enterprises. Then we will show, or we will pay to Kapil Enterprises. Kapil Enterprises debit, because we are emitting liability of rupees 18 lakh, and through how much percentage of debenture? It is 8% debenture. 8% debenture account 18 lakh. Sir, you should show the liability of 2 lakh. No need to journalize, because if question specifies, you should take the journal entry. If not, no need to take the journal entry. If they are paid through cash or bank or whatever method, if they specifically tell in the question, you should take the journal entry. If they for example, if they pay through cash, you can make an entry: creditors debit to cash. This will be the entry, right? If they pay. Okay, take down the solution. Take down the solution. Shall we go for the next question? Question number 11. Okay, the question is on board. You can take down the question. Shall I read the question? Yeah. Blueprints Limited purchased a building worth of 1,50,000 and machinery 1,40,000 and furniture worth of 10,000 from XYZ Limited. XYZ Limited is a renders and took over its liability of 20,000 for purchase consideration of rupees 3,50,000. 3,15,000. Okay. They are paying liability of rupees 20,000 for a purchase consideration of 3,15,000. Fine. Blueprints Limited paid purchase consideration by issuing 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 5%. Okay. Shall we make the journal entries? The first entry will be asset building building account debit. How much it is? 1,50,000. And machinery account debit 1,40,000. Then furniture worth rupees 10,000. Furniture account debit 10,000. 2. Building worth of account. Okay. 2. XYZ company. XYZ company. And liability is how much? 20,000. And 3,15,000 we should pay to the XYZ company. If you observe here, 1,50,000, 2,90,000, 3 lakh. Total asset worth 3 lakh. For that we are paying 3,35,000. 3 lakh 35,000 we are paying. If we pay excess, what we will do, we will treat it as we are paid for their goodwill. We are paid for their goodwill. Account debit 35,000. We have paid for their goodwill. And then to cover the assets, liabilities, 20 purchase consideration. Okay. Blueprints Limited purchase consideration by issuing 12% debentures of rupees 100 is premium. Yes, they have issued in premium. Okay. The next entry will be XYZ Limited or XYZ Company. XYZ Company account debit. How much? 3 lakh 15. 3 lakh 15. Right. 2. 2. 2. 8%. How much? 12%. 12% debenture account. Then they have issued for 5%, right? Security premium. Security premium. Sorry. Do they give any information about how much shares they have, how much debentures they have issued? No, they didn't give any information. How will we calculate? 3,15,000 divided by 105 with premium, right? 105. How much it comes? 3,15,000. 3,15,000. 3,15,000 divided by 105 into, if multiplied with the face value into 100, 3 lakh goes to debenture account, 3 lakh, and the remaining will be security premium 15,000. Is that simple? Yes, it's very easy. You can take down the solution. And shall we move on to next question? Question number 12. Question number 12. Okay, the solution. Question is on the board. Question is on the board. You can take down the question, right? Shall we read the question? A Limited took over the asset of rupees 3 lakh and the liabilities of rupees 10,000 from a B and Company, B and Company Limited for an agreed purchase consideration of 2,70,000 to be satisfied by issuing a 15% debenture 15% debenture of rupees 100 at 20% premium. They are issuing. Show the journal entries. That's it. Shall we do the question? You have to see the question, right? Okay. They have to cover the asset of 3 lakh and sundry asset account debit of rupees 3 lakh and 2 liability is 10,000. Liability is 10,000. Okay, fine. And for the purchase consideration of 2 lakh 2 lakh 70,000, is it? B and Company, B and Company 2 lakh 70,000. If you observe, we have purchased an asset for 3 lakh and we are paying just 2 lakh 80,000. Just 2 lakh 80,000. The remaining 20,000 is our profit. We will transfer it to capital reserve. Capital reserve 20,000. And the next entry will be the same B and Company debit. B and Company debit 2,70,000 to, how much percentage it is? 12 or 11 or 12%? Oh, 15% debenture. 15% debenture account. They have given security premium. Security premium. They given the issued. How much they have issued? They didn't give that information. Remaining And again we should calculate 2,70,000 divided by 120 into face value 100. 2,70,000 into, sorry, divided by 120 into 100. 2,25,000 goes to debenture account, and remaining 45,000 is the security premium. Did you understand? Take down the both the solution. We'll move on to next question. Question number 13. Question number 13. Suvidha Limited purchased machinery worth. Sorry, the question is on board. You can take it down. Shall I read the question? Suvidha Limited purchased machinery worth of rupees 1,98,000 from Supplier Limited. Okay, the name is only Supplier Limited. Okay, the payment was made by issue of 12% debenture of rupees 100 each. Payment was made by issue of 12% debentures of rupees 100 each, and here also they didn't give any information about how much debentures they have issued, right? This is same three cases, related to three cases. We can do this question. I think it's kind of very easy. The 13th question is similar to what we have done now, right? You can do it yourself. If you have any doubt, you can text me. It's very easy. Whatever we have did, just amounts are changed, entries are same as it is. Next concept. Here it comes to an end. Issue of debenture for other than cash, right? The next concept we will be dealing with, issue of debentures as a collateral security. Collateral security. Company took a loan of rupees 10 lakh from, the question is on, okay, 10 lakh from Punjab National Bank and issued 10% debentures of rupees 12 lakh. Okay. Collateral security, explain. These are, we have done with the examples the same, but numbers are changed. That's it, nothing more. Okay, shall we wind up? Yes, that's it. We have done collateral security in the examples itself, so no need to. The same example is here also, but numbers are changed. So we have completed with this. Yeah, that's it. Shall we wind up this chapter? Shall we wind up? Yes, practice well, and then we will continue with the part 2, that is redemption of debenture. Redemption of debenture. We will meet there. Until then, take care. Bye.